Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 4, The Two Pots. Students, this is a very beautiful story and it is about self discovery. Self discovery means learning more about yourself and who you are. It is a type of therapy to have time to consider your strength and weakness. Now, let's begin the story. Once there lived a woman in China whose job was that of a water bearer. Her duty was to carry two pots filled with water to her master's house every day. She had two pots in which she filled water. One pot was cracked and the other one was intact. Now, once upon a time, there was a lady who lived in China. Every day she used to carry two pots filled with water to her master's house. It was her job. She had two pots. One pot was cracked and the other one was intact. Intact means unbroken. Though she filled both the pots but was able to deliver only one full and one half pot of water. This went on, but the lady never changed the pot. The intact pot was very happy and proud. It often called the other pot cracked. The other pot's self esteem got greatly affected. It felt bad as it was able to deliver only half the quantity of water. She filled both the pots, but she could be able to bring only one pot full and the other one half filled because, as we know, one pot was cracked. Due to this reason, the intact pot was happy and proud and always make fun of the cracked pot. Because of this, cracked pot always felt bad and unhappy. One day, while the water bearer was filling the pots, the cracked pot said, "I am very sorry, lady. I let you down every time." The lady smiled in amazement and said, "Why are you saying so? I am not at all unhappy with you." The cracked pot said, "I have failed you every day. You fill me up and carry me to your master's house, but I am able to give only half of the rewards of your efforts." The lady said, "Well, tomorrow when we go to my master's house, I would want you to notice something." The pot kept quiet. Next day, the lady was carrying the pots. She said to the cracked pot, "Are you able to notice something on your side?" The pot, after a deep thought, said hesitantly, "Well, there are flowers along the path that are bright and beautiful." The lady said, "Do you notice something on the other side?" The cracked pot said, "That side is barren." The lady said, "These flowers are here because of you. As I carry you, you water this side every day. As I knew you had a crack, so I planted some seeds on your side and you have been watering them. See the other side, it is barren." The pot was happy. The lady said, "Each one of us has flaws. If we start looking at them, we would stop focusing on our abilities. We would block our way to success." The pot understood the fact that everyone has been made by God with a purpose. It was happy now. Students, as we read in the story, then one day cracked pot felt sorry to the lady that every day she filled it, but it was unable to give full rewards of her efforts. Next day, when the lady was carrying the pots, she asked the cracked pot whether he noticed something on its side, and it answered that there were flowers on its side. Then she explained that she had planted some seeds on its side and it had been watering them. Now there were flowers, whereas the other side was barren. After listening this, the pot was happy. So she explained that everyone has flaws, but if we focus on our flaws, not on our abilities, and we will not be able to be success. So the moral of the story is, know the self, presume not God to scan. इस स्टोरी से हमें ये पता चलता है कि हर किसी इंसान में बुरी चीज़ों के साथ साथ कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें भी होती हैं और इन अच्छी चीज़ों को हमने खुद आइडेंटिफाई करना होता है। ना कि हमें गॉड ने बताना होता है कि हमें क्या अच्छाई है या क्या बुराई है. As we read in the story, that cracked pot has also a flaw, but at that flaw was proved as its ability. So we learn from this story is that everyone has been made by God with a purpose. Thanks and have a nice day.